Who is that, Anthony Mackie? Hey, there's a camera. The double socket. It is pretty incredible how much Panasonic makes and they're involved in. I think I shave my face every morning with a Panasonic foil shaver. They're everywhere. Toothbrushes probably. E-bikes. It's kind of cool they did this live instead of being voiceover in a video. Just a different presence, having someone on stage performing the script. I think I've seen videos like this in the past from Panasonic where it's, imagine a world. Just a generic voiceover. Well, into the future. We'll have some good drums. Gets the crowd going. It's going to be an interesting predicament this year and in the future, the move towards sustainability coming from a corporation who's trying to sell you things. Sometimes I think those things are always at odds. How do you continue to sell more and more and more while at the same time maintaining sustainability and anti-consumption? If this is true, it's quite noble and admirable, and I would hope other companies would be following suit. But I just don't know how realistic it is when the goal is to sell you something new year after year after year after year, and everything you bought essentially just becomes junk, filling up a landfill. See how big that logo is? That's why they call the cameras Lumix, because I think you just can't fit the logo on the top of the camera. You always wonder how. How are they adding up to net zero? That's really cool if it is powered 100% by renewables. That's pretty impressive. For a manufacturing plant, because I wonder what the HX stands for. Hybrid, hydrogen, X. Always impressive when you can put world's first on anything. Just sounds good. 2170. Give it a cool name. Call it, Blackhawk, or call it the Falcon. If you got Anthony Mackie up there. Here, now we get a voiceover video. Zero emissions driving, but where's the power coming from? That's always the question. The batteries are important. What happens when the batteries are done? How do they get recycled? 4680. Give it a name. Use the number for the catalog. Use it for inventory. Give it a name. 4680. How am I supposed to remember? This is like graphics cards. They just announced some new RTX something or another. And if you're into it, you're into it. You get it. You remember, you can memorize all the numbers. So maybe it doesn't matter. But why not? Give it a code name. Just something. Apple does that with all their operating systems. There's always 10 dot whatever, but then it's Monterey or El Capitan or Sierra or whatever. Me personally, I'm a snow leopard man myself. Snow leopard is where it's at. Panasonic. I wonder where that name comes from if their first product was a dual socket light bulb, where the sonic part comes from. Sonic, that's audio, right? Sound? Maybe they made the dual socket light bulb thing before they were called Panasonic. I don't know. It's good. Circle of life. Lion King kind of stuff. If you can keep it out of the landfill, that's the goal, right? All right, let's see what you got. Kind of fun visuals, having the 3 videos side by side, each with a different piece of content on the display. Always get a kick out of live event production. The custom screens, the custom formats, the different things you can do. Always kind of fun to see how people use it. 53% less energy than conventional HVAC systems. Okay. Up to half. Better filters. Circulates and filters fresh air at least 4 times every hour. Designed to deliver consistent airflow and temperature in every room. Okay, let's see what this thing looks like. Oh, that wasn't me. Oasis by Panasonic. All right. Is this a add-on to what you currently have, or is this a complete refabrication, like for new homes only? Can you retrofit it into something old? How much does that cost? Concept home. All right. Oh, I wanted to see what it looked like. I wish more companies would take the cue from Apple and how to do a keynote. Not that you need all the fancy visuals and visual effects that Apple is known for. They have some crazy transitions in those Apple keynotes. But they're usually pretty good about delivering information consistently at a pretty good pace to keep you entertained, engaged throughout the whole thing. So they might have moments of fluff and hype and the marketing side of things. But they jam those things full of information, usually, for the most part. So you're always learning something, getting something new along the way. Versus almost every other keynote from every other company, it's just so much padding. And your eyes kind of glaze over. And you're like, I get it. But like, what's new? What are you doing? What's the information? What's the facts? What's the figure? What's the specs? So like, do that, but over and over and over and over and over and over again. Give me numbers. Give me something to latch onto. We already talked about this, so okay, like what? You see what I mean? You're just going, come on, get to something. I'm telling you, just copy Apple's playbook. Steal. Yes, collaboration is the key. Yes, that sounds nice, but that means nothing. Resilience, yes. Sustainability, yes, we've heard it. But like, roll them out here. Show me the incredible innovations. Don't just say we've got incredible innovations. Where are they? Show me. I don't care what it is. Something tangible. Something real.
Never end because we all have a responsibility to our future.
Yes, very noble, very admirable. And? Okay, yeah, technical difficulties. So awkward. Gosh, live events. So fun. We've all been there. Yep. Oh gosh, I should have worn blue for Panasonic. Look how blue this is. I wore the wrong color. He's got the blue shirt. Blue. Here we go. Come on, give me something.
His mission was simple.
Yeah, there was Lumix. It's like half a second. Everywhere. Sustainable. Yes. Go. 50.
Amplify human potential. We're building a new portfolio of.
Why does it look like a 50? It's 100 years. Why does the logo look that way? I'm so curious. Everyone's doing AI. How long is this thing? Ooh, what did he mean about the food? When are we gonna get the Star Trek replicators? That's what I want. You push the button and the food just appears. Okay? I don't know why they're clapping. Let's go. The blue. I really messed up by wearing green. Blue's the move. This desaturated royal blue. It's so nice. It's like a grayish, bluish. I wonder if there's someone out there where this generic fluff sounds very specific. Does it mean specific things to people out there? AI-driven solutions. Any company could say that across the whole supply chain. Like what? Multimodal conversational assistance. Yeah. Great. I guess this doesn't give me, an outsider, any understanding of what Blue Yonder even does. It's just a bunch of buzzwords. So I'm wondering, who is this for? This is the keynote. It's live stream. There's a big audience here. I think you just need more. Okay, here we go. Okay, detect theft. All the spooky Big Brother camera angles. All right, now we're getting some specifics. I just want so much more. Fulfill your potential. What? And this is by no means a negative critique. I just want more. I want more precision with what's presented. Like I said, that drip feed of information. Give me something to latch onto. Don't just throw out the buzzwords. It doesn't even sound nice. It just sounds like blah. Whoa, what's that logo? What is this supposed to be? Panasonic Go, Panasonic Well, Panasonic HX. HX was just text. Well, everyone got the note about wearing blue. Smart. Is this a couch? What is that? What is this supposed to be? Should I have a pet pig? Nice. Pet pig. Okay, I like her presentation so far. We've got some good specifics. We got some good information. Painting the problem. This music sounds really familiar. Get in nature. He got a promotion the day they were filming? I like the production value on this video. Got some nice musical cues, some changes. We got the sound effects, the nat sound with the interview sound bites, nice visuals. Kusumi. Okay, because I'm wondering, all these things she's talking about is true, but they're all free as well. So what's the product? Umi. All right, what do we got? It's an app. Umi helps you connect with your family. Oh, it's a messenger. Umi helps you coordinate with your family. Family walks. Yep. What else could we do together? Oh, it's an AI assistant. Give you some suggestions of activities. Okay. Go to the Seal Sanctuary. Add to schedule added. Umi helps you care for your family. So an AI assistant to help you schedule family time. All right. Happier, healthier, harmonious family life. Harmonious. You don't see that word used enough. Umi. Coming soon. All right. This music's giving me Pixar vibes. I'm sure there are people out there who would use this. So an AI assistant that crosses between people. Kind of an interesting exploration of the technology, which you could easily expand, not just beyond, to beyond family, cross-person AI. Because I will say, it is probably one of the harder parts of having kids, having a family, is just the coordination between schedules. That is, frankly, kind of difficult. And there's a lot of ways you can make it work, but a lot of people just don't take those steps. And so it's a lot of conversations, trying to remember what the plan is, what the time is. You can obviously put together a calendar, but having something that was more automated and streamlined and helpful beyond just, hey, take a moment and take a breath, remember to relax, which, yeah, sure, that's good. But actually solving the problem of coordinating schedules, planning just remembering. I could see that being useful if done well. But the question is, what are the integrations like? Does it work how you need it to? Is it clunky? That user experience is everything. AARP, she was wearing red. That makes sense. Back to Panasonic Well. Very excited for that one. Good morning. What time is it? I've heard good things about Claude. Haven't used it myself. But I almost wonder if OpenAI was smart naming theirs ChatGPT because it sounds so computery, where every other one of these has some humanish name. Whether it's Alexa or Siri or Claude or Grok. What's the Microsoft one? I guess OpenAI is with them, but ChatGPT just sounds so AI from a marketing branding perspective. It's interesting to just compete with all these. What's the other one? Gosh, you see them all the time. You go to different websites and they're, hi, I'm so-and-so. Back in the day for Xbox, it was Max. Hey, I'm Max. You'd call into Xbox support and Max would guide you through the hotline. When you had the 3 red lights, the red ring of death, the Xbox 360. Hey, it's Max. Ask Jeeves. Something about chat. I don't know. I don't think they need human names because everyone's got one now. An AI assistant, an AI customer support person. Your bank probably has one. You go online shopping, a little chat box will pop up. Hi, I'm Susie. Hi, I'm Robert. How can I help you today? There's something nice about not having a human name. Just ChatGPT. Doesn't sound like a person at all. Like the Gemini, that's Google's. It's kind of bridges that gap. We are ready to go. You take let's go and you expand it into a whole sentence. We are ready to go. Did you imagine that became the new catchphrase? Let's go. That's over. That's done. We are ready to go. That can be the new chant, the new slogan of enthusiasm.